Now today we are going to learn about we are going to explore about the world of AI, and one of the popular free AI is Llama. So Llama is developed by Facebook, and Llama 3 actually it is a large language model. It is an LLM, and to access that we have Ollama, and Ollama provides a server which can talk with Llama 3 servers or API gateway. If you have APIs, then we can access that. For now, just let me give a little bit idea about Ollama, Llama 3, Mistral. What are these? Cool. So here you can see this is Ollama. Here, how to download it. You can go on the official site of the Ollama, and from there you can choose your operating system. In my case, it is macOS, so I'm choosing this one. I can copy and then open terminal, just copy and paste, it will start downloading. Otherwise we can use the dmg file also. I have downloaded the dmg file, yeah. And before that, you can see introducing Meta Llama 3. What is Llama 3? In the diagram, look here, this is Ollama, then Llama 3, this is a large language model LLM. Cool. And then there is a Mistral, the version. Actually there is different versions for LLMs, so one of the version is Mistral. So first let's see what is Llama 3. Introducing Meta Llama 3, the most capable openly available LLM to date. So basically for today's date, till date, it is developed by Facebook and very popular. Other one is ChatGPT, as we all know, are developed by OpenAI, and then OpenAI, and then Gemini by Google, and Llama is by Facebook. Cool. So here you can see our goals for Llama. With Llama 3, we set out to build the best open models that are there. Cool. Now how to download that? Just click on here and download it. Okay. Then there are some commands for this. So let me show that commands. You can see here I have just downloaded, but before that I want to tell you about the Ollama, how to install Ollama. So here first you can see you need to run Ollama. Not here, it is not here. Yeah, look here, downloading Ollama for macOS. So this URL, which is from the website, you just copy and paste it from here only. Just copy and paste this command, and then what is going to happen, it is going to download Ollama for the local system, and it is just downloaded, right? And once it is downloaded, you can see it is generating some private key. So this is the private key, you can copy it, you can use it for some access for future purpose. And once it is done, you use the command Ollama serve. And Ollama serve, what is that? It will start serving, and start serving means there will be a server which will started, and the server would start on the port localhost this http this one. And let me copy this and let me show you in the browser so that you can confirm that server is running. Okay, here you can see Ollama server is running. So Ollama is installed after this command. Once Ollama is installed, now you need to install the LLM model. Ollama is just serving model. It is not the LLM. It does not contain the all the logic, all the just all the responses. Actually, whenever you give some prompt, Ollama server listens that. And here you can see in the APIs, whenever you give some prompt, it accepts it. You can see API pull, API pull, API show. There are different commands, right? So if you hit API generate, this is the post method which connects with Llama and contains the prompt, and then goes to the Llama 3 or Mistral version. So here you can see, look at here, you can see here generate new string Mistral 7b. right? Here you can see different versions for Mistral are there also. So Llama 3 is kind of connecting with the Mistral version, right? So LLM is the here Mistral is the long version, LLM version, and other than that, you can see where how to download the Mistral. For Mistral to download, you just need the command. You can use Ollama pull where it is Mistral. Ollama run Mistral. You can run this command Ollama run Mistral, and this command once you run it, it is going to pull. It takes time actually 10 to 15 minutes because 4.4 GB data is there. So Llama run Mistral once you have downloaded it successfully, and then this you can see this kind of success message you get, and these bars, black bars, you can see, right? Now let's communicate here. What is day today? So every now it is connecting locally, not going to ask on the internet just like chat gpt. It is just downloaded entire chat gpt like system Mistral, which is Mistral, into our local system which is 4.4 GB. Now it is going to fetch from that only. So it is going to fetch, and you can see here what is did today. It will fetch, look, and then give the response. I think it's still loading. Let's wait. What is the date today? Yeah, so this was your basically installing related to Ollama, and then what is Mistral. And let me show about Mistral also little bit. If I can show you, this is Llama only, Llama only. Yeah. So nowhere it is Mistral written. Let me go to the official website, then Mistral. Yeah, here you can see Ollama library Mistral. Yeah, so here you can see the 7B model released by Mistral AI, updated version 0.3. So 7B, if you remember in the control in the terminal, I had shown 7B model. So here, let me go again and show you. This is the version which it is using right now, Mistral 7B, right? So this is the LLM3 version, which is Mistral. You can use LLM3 also. LLM3 is more heavy actually. It has a bigger size than Mistral. Mistral is kind of a lesser size. It is the same LLM of the Llama supporting, and it is of smaller size. Mistral is the mini version, you can say, and Llama 3 is larger version. It can be 5 GB to 6 GB, something like that. Yeah, the current. Okay, what is the day today? The current it is saying. Am I ambiguous? Let me ask for some more question. 2 plus 2. Hmm. It's taking a lot of time. It is not giving answer as expected. Let me see what is the help slash set session variable. Show model information. Let's see. Slash so. It's taking a lot of time, but yeah, this installation is done. The Llama 3 and Mistral. Cool guys. Thank you. Have a great day.